must good calibration of maximum, especially in two lines like the screen is LR213. The maximum load is 7 tons. They must 7 tons plus 10%, 7.7. They must cut this overload. And then the for speed, they must cut and 4 tons according to the manual. And then the 5 speed, they must exist 2.5. The 5 speed, they must cut 2.5. Like give 10%, like 3 tons, they must cut. And then also this one, 3.6, they must 3.6, 3.7, they must cut 4 tons the first speed. The operator did not give allowed to making high speed. And then because also this effect, they must good calibrate the speeding, because some operator like 5 tons, they making 5 speed. And then they effect an inverter because of overheat of inverter or motor fire because of overload. This is important to calibrate this speedometer also.